morning everyone. We are currently at quite a famous place in Croatia. It's called it's focusing on you. Stop it. Okay, it's called Plitvice, or the Plitvice Lakes National Park. Again, I really don't know how to pronounce it, I'm really sorry. But it's essentially like a series of lakes and waterfalls that go on for like quite some time. So we're currently walking alongside this like beautiful blue water, and we just went and saw the waterfalls and it was so cool. It's gonna be a lot of walking. It's gonna be a video very much of just like not much talking, I imagine, just a lot of like very scenic montages. So if that's what you like, then this is probably a good video for you. If you like what you see and you come here and you want to do the routes that we did, it's Route C up to the boat trip and then Route K all the way back around, and if that changes I will update you. See you later. I just thought I'd give a little update because it's been quite some time now. It's been a few hours. So we've got the boat across the sort of main body of water and we are still following sea around, and then at some point if you want to do sea you should get on a train which takes you back to kind of the start, but we don't want to do that. We want to continue walking around on K, which takes us around a sort of bigger chunk of the lake. There was a little section just after the boat that had like tons of waterfalls and it was really beautiful, so that was really nice. You'd have seen loads of footage. I'm sure you're probably really bored of just like different waterfalls, but that's what this place is. That's all they can show you, and I think it's really nice. To get in you have to book a 1 hour time slot, and we booked like the earliest one of the day, so we got here about 7:30 this morning and I think it's only like 10 now, so it's still quite early, but it does mean it's really, really quiet. There's not many people at all, so if you do come I'd recommend getting an early ticket because you'll just miss the crowds and it's a lot nicer of an experience. Yeah, let's continue and see what we see. This shows where we started. We're currently here, and so you can get like a sense of scale. Go back, go back. All of this is Plitvice. It's massive. So we have left the national.
Continue on D1 for 5 kilometers.
We left the national park now. We're actually driving to a supermarket to buy some snacks. Did you like it?
Yes, beautiful.
Yeah, really nice. Like so many waterfalls as well. It was really nice. But even like between the waterfalls there's these really massive lakes and stuff that are such a bright blue color. So like it's really nice the whole way around. I forgot to mention as well, but also yesterday we went to another village that's called, is it Rastoke?
Yeah, something similar.
Again, I'll put it here because my pronunciation is probably really wrong. But that is a little village that's quite nearby Plitvice that has like waterfalls running through it as well. So I will probably end this video by playing you the footage from that village yesterday, which I would also say to go and look at if you're in the area. It's worth a stop by. Thank you for watching and goodbye.